This is Grandma's Hainanese pork chop recipe. She would cut the meat into thin slices so that they can be cooked quickly without drying out the meat, and it is not supposed to be crispy. This is 300 grams of tenderloin, cut into thin slices. Flatten the meat with a heavy bottom saucepan. Make sure the meat is level and thin, like this. Marinate with 1 tablespoon of shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder. This is 6 pieces of cream crackers. Crush them into crumbs. To prepare the pork for frying, coat them with the biscuit crumbs. We start with medium heat. Fry on one side for 1 minute. Turn over and fry the other side for another minute. There is no sauce for this recipe. We will serve these pork chops with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.